Gonna finish heating this bumper. Already got the hood done. And the carbon. Gonna finish up this bumper and then finish removing the adhesive, coat wherever the stripes were. Gotta throw on the mirror as well. We'll get that knocked out and send this one on its way. that is how you successfully remove the door handle after 10 tries.
Just 10.
Okay, so this is a new Toyota BZ4X, or B, I don't think it's a BRZ, I think it's a BZ4X. We already got the front door panel removed, as you can see right there, which essentially I'm going to assume it's the exact same steps on this back one, so I'll show you how to do the back one, which is super simple. There's going to be a cover right here, a faceplate that you remove to get that screw down, and then there's another one inside this door grasp area where you would close the door. So it's gonna reveal 2 screws. That is it. So we're gonna get our trusty dusty Phillips head, which Toyota, if you watch this video, change from Phillips heads. I cannot tell you how many times I've almost stripped a bolt out, which is not good for me or the customer. These, see? Don't put enough pressure on them. They want to start spinning loosely. Everything's fine. What else we get? There we go. All right, and then come to the bottom of the door. Use my knee right here to kind of get some leverage, and then pop, pop, and then it's just a quick push up. And from the inside. On the front door, I push the outside up first. For this one, the whole handle compartment is gonna come out so you don't have to individually pull these cables. On the front door, there's like 7 harnesses that you have to disconnect, including the mirror harness. On this one, it looks like there's just gonna be 3. So I use my fingers. You can use a tool to kind of get in here and help you out. There it goes. Wow, that's a bad spot. There's a little plastic wall right here. It kind of makes it hard, so you do kind of have to pull this one. On the front door, it didn't have that. And then this one right here. If I can freaking do it. I get nervous with the camera on me.
Pressure.
Pressure. Under pressure. And that is it, guys. And then let's see how to remove that door handle. So for this door handle, I'm going to hope that it's just going to be this clip right here. That'll loosen that up. Let's see. Let's go to the front. Look at that. So on the front door handle, there's actually a harness right here. It is a bitch to remove, I'm just gonna say that. But there's a harness on the front one, and then there's a bolt right here. It is a stationary bolt, so it does not come all the way out. It is going to stay there, but you do want to remove this cap just to make sure that it does come out. And it'll just pull out kind of like this one, but it's got a harness that plugs in right there. So other than that, that's how you remove the doors and door panels, door handles and door panels. Oh my gosh, dude, hard. We pulled that GT2 RS bumper off. Tito saw a hair right at the last second. It happens, bro. It happens. So, weren't happy with it. Pulled the hair, left stretch marks, fucked the bumper up, which is okay. It's okay. But we're gonna replace it. That's what we do up here to make sure that our shit don't stink. It's 100%. And Tita's taking a hard L right now. We're okay with that because we know we're gonna bounce back and get it better the next time.